Gender reveals have become increasingly popular over the past few years. And when I was in the process of designing and decorating for this reveal, I realized that I've never shared one here on our channel. So I definitely wanted to take the opportunity to share this gender reveal with you guys today, along with the invitations, the games we played, the food, and just how to do a gender reveal. So let's get started with the invitation. You can certainly do digital invitations. They don't have to be as formal as invitations for a wedding or a baby shower or another party. So the digital ones will work out just fine. You definitely want that invitation to be in whatever theme you're doing. So for this one, we did a winter wonderland theme, and it was, what will our snowflake be? And it was just, really cute and very classy and relaxing, and it just wasn't a lot of fuss, but I just thought it was a really cute, a really cute spin on the gender reveal. So that is what the invitation looked like. You can text them, you can Facebook message them, you can send them over on Instagram, however you want to share them on your social media. But if you're having guests that prefer paper invitations or hard copy invitations, you definitely want to get a few of those as well so that you can mail out. Next up, as the guests entered in, I had a little voting poll set up, and they got to cast their vote on whether or not they thought the new little snowflake would be a boy or a girl. And so they just checked the mark, and then once they voted, they got a little sticker, that pink sticker or blue sticker that says I voted. And I purchased these at Hobby Lobby. I think this is a part of their new collection as well. Hobby Lobby really stays up on the party trends. So once they put their sticker on, they got to go to the front of the photo booth, and they got little props that, could be like a question mark. It also had like the pink and blue signs, and they just selected their props and they began to take pictures in front of the photo booth with the mother and father to be, or with their groups of friends or family members. Here's a little tip. I know that sometimes, the photo booth props can be hard to contain. And so what I did was use a floral foam in order to stick them down in, and it made it really easy to contain it all. So here are the balloon centerpieces. They are absolutely gorgeous. My friend Latoya made these for me, so I really love them. I had the balloons on hand for a while now, I think about 2 years. So I thought those would be perfect for this reveal. We wanted to keep everything super simple. And you guys know that balloons are extremely inexpensive. You can get them at the Dollar Tree for $1, or you can also get them at Walmart for 97 cents. And so the bigger balloons I did have on hand. If I can find them, the link to them, I will link them down below. I think they were from Amazon or somewhere like that, but they were the oversized balloons. So, and I have done a tutorial on how to do a balloon centerpiece similar to this before using items from the Dollar Tree. So I will be sure to link that down below. And as you can also see, I did not do a lot of decor on the tables. You can pick up like the plates and cups and napkins, all from the Dollar Tree or from Walmart for less than $1. You can just simply place the napkin inside of the cup and do like a small table setting, and it brings a lot of color and festivity to your reveal or to your baby shower or to your party. So you can definitely save a lot of money by adding those pieces on your table and just giving more character to your table. Rachel did some amazing cookies. She knew that we were going with the Winter Wonderlands theme, and I thought the cookies were absolutely amazing. We did not want to do like the color inside of the cake or the cupcake. We wanted to do something really new, and so we decided to do cookies instead, because we would not be revealing the gender of the child through the cakes or cupcakes, as you guys have probably seen before. We also did not want to do the balloon popping you've seen before, you know, all those things. We wanted to do something very unique and very different. So if you guys have watched different gender reveals, I'm all about doing something that's out of the box, and that's exactly what we did for this one. Since it was a winter wonderland theme, we used a snow machine, a fake snow machine, and it works kind of like bubbles. You can find it on Amazon. I will link that down below. I did not want to include the mother and the father to be in this video for obvious reasons. I want to protect their privacy and respect that, as you know, as my clients. But what we did was that we released the snow, and then they used the poppers, and then while the snow was falling on them, you know, the color was released, like the gender of the baby, you know, came down as well. So it was a girl. Everyone was super excited. Everything turned out absolutely beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed with me sharing with you guys how to do a gender reveal from start to finish. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.